Welcome back to Nuer Online YouTube channel. We are going to learn some of the basics home utensils in both Nuer and English language. Here we have this is pot, bull. Pot mean dar, but this one in Nuer culture. They use it to prepare alcohol, not like another alcohol. It is kind of like a porridge, which is resemble porridge, alcohol, something like that. So we call it bull or bull kwang and bor. Okay, kwang repair to alcohol, and bull it is this one. Bull, a pot mean bull, or you can call it dar even if you want. Dar, bull or dar, that's the meaning. Okay, bull, pot, it is called bull in Nuer language. Bull. We have this one. This look like a pot also, but we call it takwan. Tak and lakwan liet lasketen. Okay, here let me change this a bit. Tak and lakwan liet lasketen. This is tak. This one is called tak. Let's move on. We have this one. This is water can. Use it to water grass or anything. We call it yum washa denwal. You can call it yum. You have to remove that yum. That is yum. This one is called yum washa denwal. I use it to water grass, fruits, etc., or use to water vegetables. Okay. Water can. This is water can. Mean yum washa den wal. Yum washa den wal. We have this tin. This is a tin or a can, but it is tin. In Nuer language we call it jelun. Sometimes we can call it nyan bear, something like that. This one it is nyan bear or yum jeluna. Nyan bear mean a tin can. Nyan bear, tin can or tin. Nyan bear or yum jeluna. Yum jeluna or nyan bear. We have this one. This is jerkan. This one is jerkan, or sometimes the Nuer call it doi. Okay, use it to fetch water, but right now this is used to hold oil. Doi or jerkan. We call it also jerkan or doi. Jerkan in English. We have this one. This jerkan. This also jerkan, but this is the small one, and this one is the big one. We call it tuyan kia jerkan or jerkan. Tuyan, that's the meaning of jerkan, or we call it the same name jerkan, but we'd like you to use tuyan, or you can use jerkan. You can choose, it is your choice. This is jerkan or tuyan in Nuer language. We have this one, vogue flat bottom ladle. This one, which has handle. This we call it kumchek. This one word kumchek or leer. Okay, leer. This is vogue flat bottom ladle. We call it kumchek or leer. Okay, this you can choose that. Okay, we have another one, wood cooking spoon. This one, wood, cooking, spoon. This peshni, mulagni, peshni in form of they are more than two, but when it is one only, we call it pitch. One, or we can say spoon. Okay, spoon. Okay, is equal to pitch. Pitch in Nuer language. Okay, spoon in English, pitch in English, spoon in Nuer. So pitch means spoon, but when they are many, we say it spoons is equal to put peshni. Okay, peshni, peshni or spoons. Okay, peshni mean spoon. A spoon alone pitch. One spoon, it is called pitch, but when they are more than two, it is peshni. Okay, we have this one, we call it stainless steel colander. This one is called T sharika. Sharika, T sharika, T sharika. Colander, T sharia or T sharika. We have knife. This is ngom. Ngom, knife, ngom, ngom. Ngom nguk riang ki nguk rach ki juaiten chamka. Use for cutting. You can cut meat, fish, vegetables, etc. We have grater, grater in English, grater. This is a nget. Okay, a nget or nget. Nget mean grater, a nget. A nget baswalani gwazan chajog dian pos la ebeni baswalani la nup. Okay, this thing it is called grater. Okay, we have this one. This is called avanti. Avanti gurbal. It is called gurbal. Gurbal. Avanti gurbal. Gurbal emela laske nup maintapa. Deje use ba alati. Avanti mean gurbal in Nuer language. Avanti. We have this strainer colander, banker fine mesh strainer colander, the same as Avanti but different. Though they can do the same job, but they are different. This thing we call them teen, since there are many. Colander, banker fine mesh strainer colander, we call it teen. And thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, thumb up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, which is Nuer Online. Please like it, share it, comment. Just do whatever you feel like to do. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.